we ready? Start. Honorable, the Supreme Court also opened on the state policy of taxation, namely when the manufactured goods are not sold within the state but are yet disposed of, or where the manufactured goods are sent outside the state otherwise than by way of interstate sale or export sale, the tax has to be paid on the purchase value of the raw material stock. In the event of non-payment of purchase tax, the revenue is likely to suffer because it would neither be paid sales tax nor the purchase tax in respect of manufactured goods which are disposed of otherwise than by sale within the state or are sent out of state, like consigned to dealers on depots or agents' stop. In such like situation, law does not permit bearing of purchase tax stop, giving detailed reasoning to conclude that the taxing event is the purchase of raw material like paddy. In the present case, stop. Honorable, the Supreme Court has observed as under stop. The object is to tax the purchase of goods by a manufacturer whose existence as such goods is put an end to by him by using them in the manufacture of different goods in certain circumstances. Stop. The tax is levied upon the purchase price of raw material, not upon the sale price or consignment value of manufactured goods. Stop. Would it be right to say that the levy is upon consignment of manufactured goods in such a case? Question mark. Next para. True it is that the levy materializes only when the purchased goods raw material is consumed in the manufacture of different goods and those goods are disposed of within the state otherwise than by way of sale or are consigned to the manufacturing dealers, depots, agents outside the state of Haryana. Stop. But does that change the nature and character of the levy? Question mark. Does such postponement, if one can call it as such, convert what is avoidedly a purchase tax, what is on raw material levied on the purchase price of such raw material, to a consignment tax on the manufactured goods? Question mark. We think not. Stop. Saying otherwise would defeat the very object and purchase of section 9 and amount to its nullification in effect. Stop. The most that can perhaps be said is that it is plausible, as pointed out by Ranganathan J. in his separate opinion, to characterize the said tax both as purchase tax as well as consignment tax. Stop. But where two interpretations are possible, one which sustains the constitutionality and or effectuates its purposes and intendment, and the other which effectively nullifies the provision, the former must be preferred according to all known canons of interpretation stop. It is worthwhile to mention here that Honorable the Supreme Court has also affirmed the view taken by a full bench of this court in the case of Desraj versus State of Punjab that the taxing agent is the act of purchase of goods which are used in the manufacture of end products and not the act of dispatch or consignment. Stop.